how to lock Facebook profile officially. Before doing this, you have to make some changes in your account. Go to Facebook and click on the three lines. At the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy in the Select Settings. Now customize your audience in Visibility. Select Followers and Public Content. Change all features from Public to Friends. Or as per your requirement, go back, select Profile and Tagging, make changes as per your needs. Go back, select Profile. Lock-in tap on Lock your profile. For more tech videos, subscribe to our channel and more information. Thanks.